All right. Financial math classes. Today we're talking about life insurance. So what life insurance does is if you have life insurance and you pass away, money goes to your family or whoever you name, whoever you name as a beneficiary. All right. Term life insurance is the least expensive form of life insurance that you can purchase. You buy term life insurance for a specified term, such as 5 years or to a specified age. Unless you renew your policy at the end of each term, the insurance coverage ends. The annual premium depends on your age at the time you buy the policy and the number of units. 1 unit of insurance has a face value of $1,000. All right. We're going to get into that when we calculate premiums and whatnot. The annual premium from term life insurance usually increases with each new term. That's because as you get older, you're more likely to die. So the more likely you are to die, the more life insurance is going to cost you. So you get older, you get closer to death, they're going to charge you more for life insurance. If you, have a dangerous job, stuff like that, you're going to end up paying more for life insurance. And then, like I said, the person whose name is on the policy chooses a beneficiary. So if you have this life insurance policy, you choose a beneficiary so that when you die, the face value of the amount of insurance coverage goes to that person. So my wife is my beneficiary on my life insurance. So if I were to die, she gets my life insurance. Eventually, my kids will be the beneficiary, but they usually have a second beneficiary. So right now, if my wife and I were to die, like in a car accident together, my brother would be the beneficiary because he's also named as the guardian of my kids. So he would get the life insurance. So he finishes raising my kids. The financial burden won't be as great. But let's look at calculating some of these things. So annual premiums per $1,000 of life insurance for a 5-year term. So this table here just tells us the annual premium per 1,000. When we get there, we're just going to be calculating some things. But let's look at this table. So table below is a 5-year. So what you need to do, you need to figure out the number of units. You take the coverage, so 60,000, or the number of units, 60,000, and you're going to divide that by 1,000 to figure out the number of units. So 60,000 divided by 1,000 is 60. The annual premium per $1,000. So the annual premium per $1,000, what you're going to do is find the age. So Hector Mays is between 18 and 30. He is a male, so it is $321 for the annual premium. And then to figure out the annual premium, you just do this, the units times the annual premium. So 60 times 321. That comes out to $192.60. So basically what this says, he's going to be paying each year, he pays $192.60. If he were to die while covered by this life insurance, $60,000 goes to his beneficiary. All right, let's look at a female example here. So Leanne Scholl, 35 years old, female. So the coverage, 95,000. That's real simple. Just take off all those zeros after the comma. So 95,000 divided by 1,000, just 95. The annual premium. So let's look up for Leanne Scholl. She is 35 and a female, so it is $298. And then just multiply that. So 95 times 298 is $283.10. All right, and that will do it for today. Next lesson, we're going to wrap up insurance.